How to create bundle discounts on your Shopify store. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how we can actually achieve this. Now, to actually do this, you will require to have a third-party application, and most of them, if not all of them, are actually paid. So with that heads up, let's just go ahead and get started. I'll be using a specific application, but it is going to work the same almost with others. I just prefer this one. So we can just go to the apps section at the bottom, just go to all recommended apps and go to Shopify App Store. From here, we want to search for Pennywise. So just go in and search for Pennywise, and then you should find this one, Pennywise Bundles and BOGO. So just go ahead and select this one, and then you could just want to click on install. Now, I do have it on my Shopify store, but you would want to install it if it's your first time. So after you actually install it, and by the way, here's the plans that they offer. So make sure that you are aware of that. Once you actually open it up for the first time, it's going to, you need to set up your account first, the free trial and all of those things. But then you should actually be redirected to this page where you will be able to create the discount. So you can just go in and click on create discount, and then you would want to just go ahead and give it a name. I'm just going to say the test bundle, use it again. And now this is the an important part here. So whether it's going to apply to all products, or specific collections, I'm going to go for specific collections so we can actually bundle specific items from specific collections, because this is the option from down here. So bundles within collections are allowed, and then you would want to just select the collection that you want. And now we can actually see already we have the discounts that are going to look a little something like this, but we need to set it up further. Here is going to be the default title for it, which is going to look a little something like this. And then we also have the option to hide it if you don't want it to be there, but you can just go in and type in whatever you want. Now the volume discount, we can just make it a fixed amount or a percentage. It's completely up to you. I'm just going to leave it as percentage. And then we can just go and scroll down and set up those things. So here, enable group for one product for this discount. You can just basically change this or turn it off. This way you can actually just select the buy two and they get a discount. So they won't get a discount for only buying one. But again, it's just completely up to you. And if you want to keep that, you can also change the text for this section. Now, I'm just going to keep it there, and then we can just go ahead and go down to discount offers, and here we can actually set up the quantity and discount percentage for that quantity. So let's say they're going to buy two and they get a 10% off, and you can actually see that it is automatically going to apply that. So you can actually see that it is going to automatically apply to that, and it's going to work for all the products from that collection. And you can also add more. So if you want to add a discount offer again, you can just add another one for maybe the quantity of 3, and they will be getting something like 20% off and so on. And, if they can just select this, they will find that they have the save 20% off. And again, if they add, different products from one collection, is going to also act the same way. Now here we also have different settings that are going to work as well. You may want to look through them. Also, you have the start date, but then also you can set up a end date to this discount if you would like. I'm just going to leave it off and click on save, and we are pretty much done. So with this app, it actually makes things a lot easier. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.